Trabaho niya yung mag-picture-picture.
Mama Rose, this is your favorite song, Mama Rose.
Wake up, everyone.
The morning sun. Bed is soft and warm while we live. I dreamed the whole night through of how I'd say to you all the things my heart wants to say. Last night you heard me
Enjoy ka lang dyan natin, Joey. Ganito na, kalong-kalong na eh.
'cause I have never loved a man before. And I kissed the tears were falling 'cause the little girl was lost. But now I'm not crying anymore. This girl has turned into a woman. Now I dream of this moment all my life. This girl has turned into a woman, and I thank you for your tenderness last night. I've never seen a man lying on my pillow. I've never seen your body without clothes. I can't believe these feelings, how this goes. Though I'm sure it's just what every lover knows.
LOL sa summer checker.
Now I won't pretend or make a promise. And if love is gone tomorrow, don't pretend. But right now I'm in love, and that's all I'm thinking of. And I hold this feeling never ever ends. This girl has turned into a woman, and I'm dreaming of this moment all my life. This girl has turned into a woman, and I thank you for your tenderness last night. And I want to love you once again tonight.
Wow! Napaka-curve pa, ha?
Yeah, dedicate to Ma'am Rose Lucana, no? Favorite.
Oh, search